Hello guys, we are here with a new tutorial. And this tutorial is how to use a Minecraft with furnace. So I'm gonna see I personally use. So you want to have a block and or an at the end or I don't really care. And then minecart of any sort, even another Minecraft furnace thing. Then you're gonna place this, and then you're gonna either get coal or charcoal. I'm going to choose coal. Then you're going to power it backwards by facing there and doing that. Now you're gonna go into your minecart. Yeah, you gotta power it. That's how you use now you can I wanna nuke the friend's house, So then what you would do, power that, power that. Um for this, yes, you would do that. I hope your friend's not home. You see, it just did that. Now, you might be wondering, is it any good with turns? Now, that is a great question, and I have no answer to that yet. So we will test that. Wow, so creative, right? It is not good with turns. In fact, it is horrible with turns. I mean, kind of works. Huh. How would this work?